Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you about understanding bounds in branch and bound. What is branch and bound? Branch and bound is a sophisticated algorithmic paradigm designed to tackle challenging optimization problems that are often intractable. With simpler method, it strategically combines systematic exploration with intelligent elimination to find optimal solution. Branching, define and convert. This base involves recursively breaking down a large, complex problem into smaller, more manageable sub-problems. This creates a sub-tree structure where it's not represent as sub-problem. Bounding and pruning, intelligent elimination. Bounds are used to estimate the best possible solution within each sub-problem. By comparing these estimates, the algorithm can intelligently discard subproblems that are guaranteed not to contain the optimal solution, significantly reducing the subspace. This method is particularly effective for non-p-hard problems, including notorious challenges like the traveling salesman problem, knapsack problem, and various forms in integer programming, where finding an optimal solution can otherwise be computationally prohibitive. The crucial role of bound. Lower bound. For a minimization problem, the lower bound represents the absolute minimum value that the objective function could possibly achieve within a specific subproblem. It guarantees that no solution in this subproblem will be better than this value. Upper bound. The upper bound is derived from the best feasible solution found anywhere in the search process so far. It acts as a benchmark. Any potential solution must be better than this value to be considered full optimal. How bound are computed? Lower bound, relaxation. Lower bound are frequently obtained by solving relaxed version of the original problem. For instance, in integer programming, constraint requiring integer solution can be relaxed to allow continuous variables, transforming the problem into a more easily solvable linear program. The optimal solution of this relaxed problem provide a valid lower bound for the original integer problem. Upper bound, heuristics and feasible solution. Upper bound are generally derived from actual feasible solution from through heuristic algorithm, 3D approach, or local optimization methods. These methods don't guarantee optimally but provide good best so far solution that serve as the current upper bound. Branching and bounding in action. First, initialize search tree, evaluate node, pruning decision, branch further, repeat and converts. This systematic approach ensures that only the most promising parts of the solution space are explored, making complex problem tractable. Visualizing bound and branch and bound tree. In a conceptual diagram, the root node at the top start with broad initial bounds representing the entire problem space. As the algorithm branch, the subproblem are created and their respective bound are calculated. The bound LB in blue, UB in orange, or it's not progressively narrow, indicating a more refined estimate of the optimal solution within that subproblem. Crucially, branches marked with an X are pruned. This occurs when a subproblem lower bound is found to be worse than or equal to the content-based global upper bound. These branches are discarded because they cannot possibly lead to a better solution. Example, minimizing a function over rectangle. Number one, initial step, finite. Begin with initial rectangular region finite that cover the entire subspace. Number two, tolerance checks. Evaluate if the difference between subunit and subunit with is within a predefined tolerance. Number three is splitting the rectangle. If the difference is too large, unit is branched by splitting it into smaller subrectangle. Number 4, recalculating bounds. For each new subrectangle, Q1, Q2, recalculate their respective lower and upper bound. Update the global upper bound is a better feasible solution is found in any subrectangle. And last, iterate and converge. This process is splitting and bounding is separated for a promising subrectangle. Key properties of bounds. Validity. Bound must always respect the fundamental relationship. This ensures that the optimal solution is never mistakenly thrown away. Tightness. As subproblems are divided into smaller regions, the bound for these smaller regions will become progressively tighter. Computational efficiency. The method used to compute bound must be computationally efficient. Effectiveness. High quality bounding functions are vital. They ensure that the lower bound are as close as possible to the true optional value within a subproblem, maximizing the chance of finding non-optimal branches and significantly reducing the number of nodes that need to be explored in the substrate. Practical impact of bound in optimization. Avoiding brute force, stemming exponential complexity, solving large-scale problem, widespread industry application. Summary, the power of bound in brand and bound. Number one, core mechanism. Bound serve as fundamental building mechanism, allowing the algorithm to intelligently focus its search on the most promising region of the solution space. Number two, enabling pruning. They are directly responsible for the pruning process, systematically eliminating sub-problems that are related not to content and optimal solution, drastically reducing computational burden. Number three, accelerating converse. The tightness and efficiency of bound directly influence the speed at which the algorithm converges to the optimal solution, making problem with fast search space rapidly solvable. Mastering delivering and playing effective bound is key to unlocking efficient solution for the most complex optimization challenge. By continuously refining and improving bounding technique, you can push the boundaries of what solvable in operation research and artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.